Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and I'm in New Jersey. Good morning, husband. Living your best vacation life because you look like a ghost. Watch him. You guys, I'm having breakfast this morning courtesy of my brother. Say morning, brother. My twinny. You guys, I'm having breakfast this morning and brother cooked up real good breakfast for the fam bam. So yes, there goes breakfast. Let me show you guys the kids. Let's see if we can find the rest of the crew. They're outside watering plants. Look at them with the auntie watering plants. Hi Connor, that's my nephew, my baby nephew. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him, lad. Watch the good walk. Connor say hello, say hi. Connor's like, leave me the hell alone. And everybody else is over there. My shy sister-in-law, look at her. Anika, say hello. Anika, say hello. Hello. Good girl. You guys, she's shy, so you guys won't see much of Anika. Or if you do see her, she won't be talking. Sarah, say hi, faves. Hi, faves. Tyler, say hello. So they're watering plants with their auntie. Go, Connor. Go to Tata. Go to Mommy. Look at my nephew, and he's also my godson. Look at him.
Yeah, in the garden.
Yeah, in the garden. Yeah. Doing. I'm meeting my nephew for the first time, you guys, but he's warming up to me slowly. Look at him with his bow legs. Hot. Jesus. The cousin flick is happening. Look at these two. You're playing with cousin? Yeah, you're playing with Connor. You're jumping. Careful to Connor foot.
Finger out.
Leave my boy, man. Let him suck him finger.
Finger out.
Right back in.
Good.
Jump, Connor, jump. Sarah, careful to Connor foot. You're too big for that. You go on that, you're going to jump on that, you're going to break it.
I already jump on it.
Yeah, but you cannot jump on it when the two of them is already on it. When you're alone, yes. Cannot enjoy the bouncing. Oh, sorry. Look. Catch that. You got that? Catch it down low like this. Straight head on. We catch it every moment. Watch Tyler wants in at the moment. Tyler wants in and Olivia is over there. Olivia having her bottle moment. Alright, Sarah, finish now. He wants to stop. Guys, look at me on the road without my husband and my kids. Yes, I'm my side gal. Me, I'm a shy girl. My favorite sister-in-law in the world. You guys, we are heading to supermarket. We're going shopping. We'll leave everybody else at home. The first full day in Jersey, first full day here in USA, and we're chilling today. Today is rest day before we start all the crazy ups and downs. just chilling today, y'all. Chilling. So let's go see all the different things about supermarket shopping here in comparison to in France. You know, in France, Anika, when we do supermarket shopping, we have this thing on our vlog that we call the supermarket haul. So when we do shopping, we show our viewers everything that we bought, and at the end of showing them everything that we bought, we play the game rock paper scissors competition between Tyler and Babe, but Sarah also plays along. And she have this excitement that she does at the end of whoever win, she scatter all of the the goods that we buy. But the way in which she does it and the whole excitement of the game is so hilarious. I would have to show you one of the vlogs. Anxiety. It drives us crazy. But the funniest thing, though we anticipate her scattering the goods every week, you don't know at what point she's gonna do it.
No. Anxiety.
Sometimes when she fling off the yogurt, some of them burst. Some of the fruits scatter all over the place.
Anxiety.
So, oh my god, it's hilarious. But it's something in the vlogs where if we don't show the faves, that we call them the faves. If we don't show them that part of our day, they just look forward to it. The things that we do. Anyway, you guys, we're going shopping. Shopping. We're at ShopRite. Going to the right shopping. How cheesy is that? Come on, film your good body. A big body. Zoom up in that camera, girl. What you doing? Oh, to go in? Okay. What that? Oh, she's sanitizing her cat. Alright, you guys come through with the cat sanitizer. Alright, so let's take out my list and go shopping. Oh, this fireworks fandangos? Wow. What's that? I don't know that.
The things, man, those are like white things you throw on the ground and they pop.
I don't know that. You guys, shopping in a USA supermarket for me is like Christmas. Seeing all the things that I love, all the things that I want. Oh my gosh. If I'm to pick up everything in this supermarket that I want, problems, and I want to try everything that I see. But we're strolling through, trying to pick up all these things for the kids and for the fam bam. They don't have a small pack. Anyway, you guys, we're going through these aisles. Chantal, I'll eat it, depends. Let's see how they handle it. If not, I'll get some more. Still don't see the pure fruit yet. Oh? Okay. Crepe pot. I need a small bottle of honey. Pure honey. Look at cheapness. Okay. Let's see if I find a crepe pan so I can treat the fam bam to some nice crepe. Oopsies. Oopsies. Uncle multitasking. Hey. Uncle multitasking. Multitasking at its finest. The two youngest. One in truck, one in the bicycle, the tricycle. You look like you push a lawnmower. Walk, boy, walk. We at the pool with the babies. Look at the family. We're chilling at the pool. You guys, I cover my hair. I cover my hair so it doesn't get wet. We're at the pool with the kids right now. That's what we're doing this afternoon. Just pool chilling with the family.
Give me thumbs up.
Look at Connor and Olive and Sarah. Connor and Sarah stuck to each other like glue. Look at them. Two of them in this little. Watch Connor. Watch Connor giving thumbs up. You guys, my nephew is only 1 year old. You guys see him? He'll be 2 in November. Look at him. Big boy. Honey, look at Connor and Sarah.
The body.
Yes, they're best bud. Look at them.
That looks
Look
cool.
at them. Look at them.
She.
Oh yes.
You want to come into my job?
Watch Connor smile. Tyler running from Olivia and Connor. Where Connor and Sarah?
Them still bust it on.
You finished? Finally?
Where Connor? Get it, Connor, get it. Go get him, Olivia, get him. Go get Tai. Run, go get Tai. Look, it's Tyler here. Olivia drinking her milk. Get her, Connor, get her. Look at him. Get him, Connor, get him. The four of them they're so happy. Ah! Hey guys, my eyes are red and the day is done. The kids are in bed and I'm heading to bed myself. Baby's heading to bed. Babe can't hang. We're just coming on to end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the bits that I had to show you guys. It wasn't much, but I showed you guys what we had. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.